Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to synchronize your Etsy shop with Printify. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the simple steps. So now we will be needing to have our Etsy that is open, and also we need just to simply go to our Printify. So you will need just to go to the printify.com and basically go there, and from here you will be needing of course to log in, and in case you don't have an account you should sign up. So here I'm just going to log in with my account here, and basically now we are able to go to stores. So basically here you will be needing just to go to my store or new stores. So here let's just manage store, and from here I have already store. So let's just connect another store or add a new store, and from here you'd already find some sales channel. And basically you would need just to simply choose Etsy, and from here it will take you to the Etsy uh, channel, and basically will be already uh, connected. And here you will need just to grant access, and basically it will take you already to Etsy. You will need just to simply grant access, and basically you will have your uh, account that has been authenticated, and that will be connected uh, automatically or successfully to Etsy. And by that you are able to start synchronizing, or automatically it will be synchronized with Etsy. So then your catalogs or your listings can uh, you want to create them here and add Printify as producer, etc. And whenever you find an order would pop up or an order would come, it will go directly or automatically to Printify, and from there you will be able to see your orders here both on Etsy orders and Printify, and then it will take its course of action. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.